Hello everyone. This video is in continuation to our videos on genetics, in which we are discussing about principles of inheritance and variations. We have done Mendel's work, we have done the types of crosses, and in our previous video we discussed about incomplete dominance. In this video we'll talk about codominance. Please watch the video till the end, because in the end I'll be you'll get everything on the board with a cross, with examples, so which you can use for your notes. And please like the video, share it as much as possible. So we'll start with codominance first. Codominance, I'll just first of all I'll just quickly give you the reference to it. For in these videos, in this incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allelism, pleiotropy, we are talking about the variations which are there in Mendelian principle, which are off track, which do not follow Mendel's principle. So these are variations from Mendel's work or principles, or whatever you can say. So that means they are not following Mendel's principles at all. So what is codominance? I'll just give you a definition first. Codominance is a condition wherein the dominant and the recessive, both alleles, express themselves. That means, what did Mendel say? Mendel said that if a dominant trait is present, the recessive will not be expressing itself according to law of dominance. But here, this is not going to, this example which we are going to do, the process of codominance or the phenomena of codominance, we see that even if the dominant trait is present, the recessive will express itself, or you can say both of them will simultaneously express themselves. We'll talk about two examples here. Example number one is coat color in cattles. Coat color in cattles, you must have seen cows with white color with black patches or brown patches over them. So what happens there? If we make a cross, suppose we have a cow with black and white color with black patches. So black is crossed with a maybe pure white. Black cow and a white cow. Now what do we expect due to Mendel's, according to Mendel's principle, we say that this is black is a dominant trait. Fine, and we should get black here because it is homozygous dominant crossed with a homozygous recessive. So we'll make a Punnett square. What do we get here? We have traits written, alleles, sorry, and then we get this result, capital B and small b in all the four boxes. But here, a twist which we get here is that according to Mendel, all should be black. According to Mendel, all should be black. But when we see the phenotypes, what do we see? That we have got cattles with white color and black patches. That means both B and B are expressing. This is known as codominance. That means both of them are showing their expression. We'll take one more example here, and the second example is of AB blood group. We have ABO blood group type, and there is one type of blood group which is AB. Now if we talk about AB blood group, it will be expressed as, it has alleles both A and B both present in it. Now this is a condition wherein when both the alleles A and B are present, According to Mendel, one should be recessive, one should be dominant. But herein, we will see that both of them are going to express. That means the blood group which we will have here is AB. Fine. So it's not that one is acting as dominant and one is acting as recessive. No, both of them are expressing themselves. So we are getting a blood group AB. Fine. We will talk about this blood group thing in detail in multiple allelism also, because it is a very good example of multiple allelism. But we refer to it in codominance because these blood groups. Now, if I tell you about all the blood group, so basically we have IA, allele B and O. We have these three conditions. And we get different type of blood groups in different combinations. But specifically when we talk about IA and IB, both of them express themselves and we get a blood group of AB. If suppose it is IA, IO, then we get A. Fine, we'll talk about so on and so forth. But here I just want to talk about codominance, and the blood group which we are going to talk about is, which we have discussed, is AB, which shows codominance. That means A and B, both the alleles are present and both are equally expressing themselves and giving a blood group AB. Fine. So this is all about codominance. In our next video, we'll talk about the next topic, that is multiple allelism. So keep watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. Thank you.